So in this video, I'm going to be repairing this True brand refrigerator. It's more of a commercial one, but the customer called and said that it's not cooling at all. After some investigation, I suspect that this temperature control is the problem. When I first got to the fridge, I tapped on the side of it and the fridge came on. That's a typical sign of a bad temperature control. So I've got the new one here. Got this one off Amazon. Got my little multifunctional screwdriver here. We're just gonna get this thing replaced. So you want to remove the two screws. I'm using a 1/4-inch nut driver to do that. You want to just pull that excess line, this thermostat line, all out, and you'll pull. There's the rest of it is connected to like a copper tubing that runs inside that coil there. Kind of goes in and out. There's a little hole right there that it runs into. And yep, there it is right there. Get that out. It's just going to slide right off of the end of that sensor there. And then obviously disconnect your two power wires. Remember, you're doing this with the fridge off. Don't shock yourself. Now this one comes with this little bracket that you have to connect here, but it just slides right on there. It's pretty simple installation. Alright, so I have the bracket on. There's a little nut that it comes with that you'll just screw down and it holds it on there tight. And you're just going to kind of reverse the steps that you did to remove the old one to install the new one. See, I have the temperature sensor probe with the copper tubing on it, ran back through the coil, and the power line's connected. Okay, so after I installed those last 2 screws, that's pretty much it. I've got the temperature setting of around the medium, I think it was like 5 or 6, and I'm just gonna plug it back in. And after I tested the fridge, everything was working properly. Temperature was coming out of the vents at like 38 degrees, so it was good to go. Here we go. I'm gonna plug this thing back in, and it'll take a couple hours and it'll be back to a good cold temperature like a normal fridge should be. Thanks for watching the video. I appreciate it. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions.